Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, November 11th. It's Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day. Thank you to all the veterans for your service. And it's the start of the weekend, so I hope everyone's doing great. I'm doing well. Thanks for all your well wishes. Last weekend, I went on a trip to visit my dad and stepmom. They live in New York City, and we did some fun stuff while I was down there. We went to the Whitney Museum of American Art, which is it's in Manhattan, and it's down in the Village now. It used to be more uptown, but they moved it, and it's a beautiful building designed by an Italian architect. I forget his name, but very well known. And the exhibit we saw is Edward Hopper's New York. So he's an American artist who painted mostly in the early 20th century, and his depiction of like dark versus light is just beautiful, of like everyday objects and everyday scenes. And anyway, it was great, a great exhibit. We had a lot of fun, went out to dinner, took a walk on the High Line, and yeah, it was just a great weekend. So I've been home for the week and did a little bit of shopping, not too much. I did some crafting, and I had a sale in my, or a restock in my Etsy store this week, so that took up some of my time as well. Thank you to everyone who purchased. I really appreciate your support of my little Etsy shop. So let's get on with the haul. I don't have a whole lot. It's mostly home decor, so hopefully you don't mind that this week. I did order from At Home because I got an email that the girl shelf sitter that I wanted was back in stock, so I had to place a little order. And while I was ordering, I picked up this ornament, and I had seen it there before, but I figured since it wasn't going to change my shipping cost, I might as well get it. So this was $3.99 from At Home, and I actually had a 15% off email coupon because I'm on their mailing list. So I picked this up, and I thought it was really, really pretty. Love the colors. It's like clay dough. And it's funny, this came separate than the shelf sitter, and it came in this big box wrapped really, really well in bubble wrap and everything. So I don't know, kind of a waste of packaging, but who knows why they did that. So this is the girl that came in, and she finally is with her boyfriend. This one I had gotten already. This one had been out of stock, like I said, in my local store and online, but then I got an email that it was back in stock, so I hurried and ordered it. And I think it's out of stock again right now, but you know, who knows? Put your name on the list and they'll email you if things you want are out of stock. So yay, they're together, and I'm actually going to start decorating for Christmas this weekend. Yeah, so I'm going to leave these out and bring them upstairs. So they're so cute. I love them. So there's that from At Home, and just a few things from here and there. I went to Hobby Lobby today. Today's Thursday, and picked up a few good things. I got this. I saw this. I think it was on Stephanie Garrett's channel. Hi, Stephanie, if you're watching. She had shown this E6000 Fabrifuse. Yeah. So it's fabric glue, and what I liked about it that she mentioned is that it has a precision tip. So, you know, sometimes with Fabri-Tac, it kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to control. So hopefully this will be good. So I'll keep you posted, and if anyone else has tried it, let me know if you like it. Hopefully it doesn't smell as bad as E6000, but you know, always looking to try new adhesives. Oh, and this was $4.99. It's hard to see. Wasn't on sale, but I think that's a pretty decent price. So pick that up at Hobby Lobby. I also got these cute little scoops. They were on an end cap in the Christmas decor section, and the end cap had like all hot cocoa bar stuff. So this was $5.99, but 60% off. So that's what, about $2.40, so not bad. And it comes with these 3 little scoops. They're aluminum flat bottom scoops. Let's take a look at them. And I like the size of them. They're really pretty small. They'd be good to include like on a shaker mix. Of course, you know, you can use them in your hot cocoa bar, but they'd also be fun to embellish, I think. Maybe paint them, or, you know, add some like cute little cabochons or something, and you can make it an ornament. I thought that would be fun. So 3 in a pack, figured I would try those out. I don't remember seeing those before, but they might have been there. And I think there was something else I got. Oh yeah, I got this trim from Hobby Lobby. I haven't seen it yet, but it's Christmas Party Gift Trim, $5.99, 60% off. And this is one of those trims that they have that has like the twine and the other kinds of twine too. And then it has these like black and white check little Christmas trees on there. And then it has some beads. So this would be fun to, actually you could probably tie this around one of these, you know. And yeah, that would be cute and make it like, you know, like a black and white style one. So I thought this was nice. I've gotten like, I think they have them in at Valentine's Day with Valentine's motifs and spring ones as well. They also had another one, I think it was red and white, but it was very like shiny red and white. And these are like painted wood beads. So this kind of just, you know, fits my aesthetic a little better. What's fun about these little Christmas trees, they're like wood Christmas trees with like kind of like glued on fabric, and then there's a little cutout of a tree as well. So I thought that was fun. Got that, and that was it from Hobby Lobby. That's all I got, just those 3 things. Walmart, I also stopped at today because I had to get a few things. His foot looked weird like that, or her foot. So I found this lantern that I thought was really cute. Now this was in the new Christmas section where they used to have Halloween stuff. And this is by Mr. Christmas. And it was pretty cheap. It was, $8.98. Snowman ceramic lantern. They also had a pastel nutcracker, and then they had some traditional color ones too. I forget what the motifs were. I should have taken a picture, but I really like this one. His eyes, they're a little creepy to me, but I could deal with that. Maybe I'll draw in like a white circle or something in there. Yeah, maybe I'll try that. Just all the black, just kind of, I don't know. Anyway, it's a lantern, so you could put in, like a flameless candle or something in there. And it's got the hanger to hang it on a hook or something. I loved it. I love the colors. So that's all I got crafty-wise from Walmart today. And just a few little things, like I mentioned. Target, I can't remember for the life of me if I showed this to you already. These are little wood figures, and it was $3 for the 2 of them. And there were other designs too. There were like some gnomes and stuff. I'm not into gnomes, but I did like these snowmen. So I thought these would be really fun to paint and to decorate. So I got those, put those on my list of things to do. And Dollar Tree, I got some stocking stuffers that I'm not going to show right now, but I did find these giant clamps too. I should have gotten a couple packs of these, but I have the smaller ones like this, and those really do come in handy to hold things together when the glue is drying. Like when I put those, let me show you, those pencil holders together and glued them with E6000, this one. I used my clamps to hold them together while it was drying, and that really helps. But sometimes you just need bigger ones. So I hadn't seen these before, so I picked up the big ones. All right, Home Goods. I got a few things from there. When did I get these? I guess earlier this week. I found this thing of like to-go containers, and they have all sorts of designs of these, but I love the pastel look of these, and these are all the designs that it comes with. And it comes with the little tags too, I guess. So that's fun. And this was $4.99, and it comes with 6 treat tins, 6 lids, 6 tissue, 6 gift tags, twine, and 1 recipe card, I guess. Why would there just be 1? But anyway, I thought that was adorable. I love the colors. This one is like kind of like a, cream or off-white color background, and then all the just fun pastels. So lots of fun designs in these, and they'll be good to give leftovers. We have company every Christmas, so we always send people home with cookies. So this will be perfect to send people home with that. And then also at Home Goods, I got a couple mugs. I have no business buying Christmas mugs, but I love these so much, so I had to. So the first one I got is this one, and it says Snowflake Wishes and Peppermint Kisses. I don't know why it needs the exclamation point, but I guess they're very excited. This is by Peppermint and Pine, and it was $4.99. It's a nice, heavy ceramic mug. I love the inside design as well. and it's double-sided too, which is nice. So like our left-handed friends like me, you can see the design on both sides. I know sometimes when like on my Ray Dunn mugs, you can't see the design on both sides, so it's nice to have it like that. So I got this one, and then I got this one to coordinate, and this one says So Very Merry. It's also by Peppermint and Pine, $4.99. And again, I love the retro colors of this. It's double-sided, and that's a stripe on the inside. So they're a nice size. They're nice and big. They'd be good to eat soup in, you know, or like a huge cup of coffee. Or hot chocolate. So very cute. These would be great for a gift, you know, if you wanted to put like some cookies or treats in there and tie it up. But these are for me, gift for myself. And I think, yeah, that's it, you guys, for this week's haul. I just haven't been buying much mini crafty items lately. I have so much Christmas stuff, and I'm in Christmas mode now. So, you know, if something comes out, like, you know what, I'm waiting for that new Doodlebug collection. It's called, I think it's also called Candy Cane Lane. I haven't seen that come out yet. Hopefully it's soon, but I do want to pick some of that up because I don't have much Doodlebug Christmas left in my stash, so I really do want to get more of that. So I'm waiting for that. I just got my KS Craft, was it November design team package or October? I think it's the October one. And there are lots of great dies in there. So I've been making a few projects, so I'll be able to make a video with project shares with that soon. And I've got another page of my Diana Markham recipe book ready to go. So I'm going to come on again and make a video for that. That might be on, actually, that might load up before this one, actually. So we'll see. Anyway, follow my channel if you wouldn't mind, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that I upload. Thanks so much for all of your support. I love when you guys support me in my Etsy shop, or just in, you know, watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up or leaving a comment, subscribing. I appreciate everyone so much. I know I didn't get a chance to write back to people in last week's haul just because I was out of town, and by the time I got home it was, you know, I hit the ground running for the week. So anyway, let me stop rambling, and I'll let you go. But thanks again for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be back soon, and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys. Bye.